Welcome to the relaunched midweek mother of all talk shows, an historic occasion that you will always remember you were a part of. The Galloway show is dead. Long live the MOATS. From now on, God willing, we'll be bringing you the mother of all talk shows twice a week, on a Sunday evening and on a Wednesday evening. And heaven knows the news agenda justifies it. The level of audience justifies it. The level of telephone calls, post, communications of all kinds, all justify it. So we're hoping that when we go up like a rocket this evening, we go into orbit and stay there. A bit like the Sputnik and the Starlink didn't do. We hope to do better. But that depends on sponsorship, and more about that in just a minute. But tonight we will be touring the horizon from the battlefields of the Ukraine, the NATO-Russia confrontation, to the innards, the bowels, you might say, of British parliamentary politics, with the fragrant Tulsi Gabbard in between. Again, about whom more later. We'll be talking to two experts, Scott Ritter, a military political expert of the highest rank, and Keith Bennett, possibly the only man outside China that knows everything that's happening in China and who knows everything that's happening to China, as we celebrate, I think, the day when Britain formally defined China as a threat to the United Kingdom. I know you couldn't make it up, but you don't have to. You'll hear it all explained here on the midweek mother of all talk shows. Fasten your seatbelts. As always, it's going to be a bumpy ride.